Have you ever noticed a rusty bike or an old car sitting in a field? That reddish-brown coating isn't just a sign of neglect. It's a fascinating chemical process known as rusting or oxidation. Today, we're going to explore the science behind this everyday phenomenon and what it means for metals and our environment. Rusting occurs when iron reacts with oxygen and moisture in the air. This reaction forms iron oxide, commonly known as rust. But why does this happen? At its core, rusting is a type of oxidation, which is a chemical reaction where electrons are transferred from one substance to another. In the case of rust, iron loses electrons to oxygen, leading to the formation of rust. Here are a few interesting points about rusting that might surprise you. First, did you know that rusting is an electrochemical process? It involves both oxidation and reduction reactions. While iron oxidizes, oxygen is reduced, creating a flow of electrons. This is why rusting can be accelerated in the presence of salt water, as it enhances the conductivity of the water, speeding up the process. Secondly, rust isn't just a nuisance, it can lead to significant structural damage. In fact, it's estimated that rust and corrosion cost the global economy billions of dollars each year in repairs and replacements. This is particularly critical in industries like construction and transportation, where the integrity of metal structures is paramount. Another intriguing aspect of rust is that it can actually protect the metal underneath in certain cases. For example, aluminum forms a layer of aluminum oxide when it oxidizes, which prevents further corrosion. This is why aluminum is often used in applications where rusting would be a concern. However, with iron, once it starts rusting, it continues to deteriorate unless treated. Lastly, let's touch on the environmental impact. Rusting is a natural process that can affect ecosystems. For instance, when metals corrode, they can leach into the soil and waterways, potentially harming wildlife. This has led to increased interest in developing eco-friendly coatings and treatments to prevent rust without harming the environment. In summary, rusting is more than just a visual blemish on metal objects. It's a complex electrochemical process that has significant implications for our economy, infrastructure, and environment. By understanding rusting, we can better appreciate the materials we use every day and the importance of protecting them. So next time you see rust, remember that there's a whole world of science behind that seemingly simple phenomenon.